In order to understand the value of cloud computing, we have to compare it with the traditional model of computing which was existing before cloud computing came into this. So we can select the following four attributes and compare how cloud computing and traditional computing fare with these particular attributes. For example, infrastructure cost. See, we all know that computing is all about infrastructure and then software. That means in order to use computing, you have to buy computers and then you start one. In traditional computing, you got to invest a lot of money for this infrastructure. That means suppose you have an office with 10 machines, and if you want to expand it to another 25 machines, then you have to buy those 15 additional machines. That means there's the increased capital expenses and hardware, software and licensing managed on the site. That means you have to have a physical space for that, means you have to have additional rooms for that, and then you have to buy additional machine that would cost you a lot. In cloud computing, less upfront cost. That means you don't have to buy additional machines. All that you have to buy is an end connecting device. A low end device can also help you because the resources are managed and maintained by the cloud service provider. Only operating expenses are to be met. What it actually means is the current electricity that you need or additional space that you need to accommodate a new employee, those things are to be met. The second is scalability. So infrastructure expenses, high resources are planned for peak demand and less scalable. What it actually means is, suppose you are using a traditional thing setup, then what you do actually, suppose you are a e-marketeer and then you are offering services online or selling them, then you will always plan your infrastructure for the peak demands, maybe a festival season or sports season and so on and so forth. That means you invest a lot upfront resources and not scalable. What it actually means is you cannot make final changes or you cannot add resources at the last minute. So this restricts your growth. Whereas in cloud computing, it provides greater scalability by meeting resource requirements on demand. So one of the fundamental characteristics of cloud computing is actually on demand. As and when you ask, it will provide you. So cloud computing differs even in terms of scalability by giving you more flexibility. And the third quality of the cloud computing to be compared with traditional is system management. See, suppose you are running your own computer center, then you need required skill local manpower. That means to buy a machine, to install it, to maintain it, all that you need a skill that will not only cost you money, it's a very difficult to find a talent. Whereas in cloud computing, this activity is actually given back to the service provider. So those people will be maintaining all the resources in data center and your job is only to access them. The final is actually availability. No matter how well your people are, how well your maintenance of your infrastructure is, there are chances that would actually your machine may go down or your systems may get crash. Whereas in cloud computing, because of the data center and resource pooling and all other factors, it is ensured that if one particular machine goes down or one particular software is crashed, then automatically some other machine will take up the job. So even availability compared to traditional computing and cloud computing gives you more guarantee.